Affiliates, are they really worth it? Here's what you need to know as a new streamer or content creator. I'm Christopher. You can find me at twitch.tv/ChristopherFloro. You can find links to our schedule and on our social medias, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Discord, all in the description below. Now, when you scroll down and hit the subscribe and notification button here so you can stay up to date on what we're doing, read the description. You'll see 3 or 4 affiliate links at the very bottom of that description. Currently, for me, it's Razer, No Name Nerd, and Player One Coffee. There have been a few others in some of our other videos that I choose no longer to promote. What are affiliates? Affiliates or partnerships are companies that you sign up to agree to promote their items in your streams or content. They'll even pay you for your promotion of them. Kind of. Some will even promote the fact that they'll help you grow as a streamer or content creator. As far as the ones saying that they'll promote you as a new streamer, something that I've noticed over the last few months, the promotion of your brand they offer is hyperbolic. You sign up for affiliate status under the impression that they'll help you grow, and they just don't. You're still responsible for growing your own brand inside their cultures. From what I've seen, most drive their affiliates into Discord servers and Facebook groups so that you can network inside a group of people doing the exact same thing that you are. And that's trying to grow their own brand, all while they're promoting their products. Let's face it, they do have an entire business model to maintain, and they're not so worried about Streamer X and making that person's name known. And that's the bad part. The good part being, should you choose to sign up with them to be an affiliate or a partner, you can make money. They'll give you affiliate links, and that you have to promote those affiliate links for people to purchase items. You know, the old upsell, would you like fries with that model? I will no longer promote certain affiliates because I don't believe in their models or products, and it's purely a personal choice and something to consider when you review any contract for any affiliate or partner that you may want to work with. I have a hard time paying $100 for a company to offer me freebies just to promote their product. Now, that's not to say that you shouldn't buy an item or two to promote a company that you're wanting to work with. That's something entirely different. That helps you grow as a content creator, and I say go for it. These companies aren't going to send freebies to a nobody. You start at the bottom and you work your way up to the free stuff. Just buyer beware that it's not all give and no take, unless you're just a really good salesman and can promote the heck out of yourself with the links and drive people to the links to purchase stuff. Now, how much money can be made is based on a percentage. Say for Razer, for instance, if you choose to scroll down and click on my Razer affiliate link and you buy a qualified item, I'll make 3% of that. If you buy something from No Name Nerd or Player One Coffee, it's 1% of that sale. And while you're not going to make a ton of money doing this, if you're good at sales and can have people come to your links and buy things, you'll make a couple $100s over time. So, are affiliates and partnerships worth it as a growth tool? I haven't seen it, unless I'm marketing myself to others in their communities, Discord, Facebook groups, things like that. Financially though, yeah, they can be. If you're good at sales and good at marketing yourself and the items that you choose to use from those companies, absolutely. Now, what are your thoughts on affiliates? Would you pay for a membership to sell someone else's products? leave a comment below, hit that like, subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and then check out these 2 videos. Thank y'all for stopping by.